How to fix if is not charging on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your charger cable. After check charger and cable, click side button and power button to restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if is not charging on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.